Hey, what's up everybody? Keith Wilson with DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video. And here you can see that I'm just jumping right into it. We already laid, this is part 2. We already laid the candy apple, the molly orange, the candy tangerine. And now we're coming over the top with chrome yellow. And we're just highlighting different fire areas. Right now on the hood, we just have a few spots, and then we're going to go below and work on some fire down there. And apologize for the bad camera angles. We'll work on that in the future. This is what we have to work with right now, though. And this is after I've edited it, so you can imagine the ridiculousness I was dealing with, just trying to find any good shots. If these are the best shots, then what? It gets better. Here's I think these are flaming kind of cannonballs, smoke, fire. This is on, I believe, a 72 Camaro, named Split Personality. And yeah, we just have fire everywhere in this field. There's flames. You'll see it more clear. I think the colors worked really nice. I cannot wait till it gets clear coated, because it's gonna look amazing. House of color paints were used. I really stylized my flames after Michael R.I.P. He was awesome. Okay, so here you're gonna see we already laid out some flames. I believe we're on the 4th layer. The more you do flames, the better you're going to get at it. And so you just have to stick with it. And after you've done them a fair amount of time, then you understand how they kind of flow, and you could build out, and then you could have real fun with it. Don't forget to use a reference image. I'm not using one here, but you should use a reference image. And we're just, going with the hard edge, then a soft edge, then a hard edge, then a soft edge. And we're laying these chrome yellow ones, not necessarily where the previous ones were. They could be in a new area or right there, just like a small area of that, if that makes sense. But you don't have to go right over the top of the other ones, or else it's going to look like seaweed. You want kind of fresh new flames or licks. Because after this, we're going to go over it with candy orange, candy tangerine again. And then we're going to do chrome yellow again. Then we're going to do pagan gold over the top to make everything glow. So we're going to go orange, not over all of these, but over 3/4 of them. Hard edge, soft edge. You can see right there. Hard, soft, if that makes sense. There's the hard edge, and it's going to go to a soft edge. My gun is I'm either out of paint, or it's stuck or clogged. Dry tip. And it must be empty. So this is the fun part. Shout out to Aaron's shop in Oakland, Iowa. That's where I'm working on this car. Got more chrome yellow, I'd imagine. And there's a good look at the ground. You have to be also, don't use the shield exclusively. That's my favorite shield right there. It's been my go-to for years. But don't use the shield exclusively. You have to be able to freehand and do freehand licks and do all that stuff. Again, horrible angle. I apologize. But it's going to get better here in a few seconds, I think. Oh my gosh, it's already over. It's getting late. You know the routine. Like and subscribe. Another video coming. I'm out.